Hello my pretties and welcome back to Witching Around with Leslie. Oh, sorry, that was just one of my witch voices. Hello everybody and thank you for joining me today. I appreciate each and every one of you. So before we get started, let's go ahead and like and subscribe, drop me a comment, tell me about your variation, you can tell me about any subscription box you want. I want to hear it. Just tell me how you are, tell me about your day, whatever. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get started on, what is it, Boxycharm, what month are we? April 2021. So, I feel like this is long overdue. I'm not really sure what I'm getting this month. I haven't really looked at the sneak peeks, so it's kind of a surprise to me. I'm just going to trust in the process, yeah. So here we go, Boxycharm, and of course I always do the base box. I don't feel I need any of the others. I'd rather do something else with that money. Go get another box from another company. Just kidding. Okay, so here we go. And as you can see, it is the base box. The theme is sweet treats. See all that candy that I can't have? Ooh, I see a macaroon on there. That's candy. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We have variation, whatever this is, I guess BA. I don't even know how they're doing their variations anymore. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things to review today, or to check out today. So we're gonna go ahead and start with, we never, ever, ever, ever start at the top. So we're gonna start at the bottom. And that is this, what is it? Manna Kadar Beauty Pluck It 2-piece tweezer set. Oh yay, I hope these are good. I hope these are good. I am a tweezer freak. I love tweezers. My favorite are Tweezer Man, but let's see. These look kind of promising. I just love that it comes with a slanted one as well as a pointed one. I love the pointed ones, and each one has their purpose. So, you know, you just can't go wrong and go pluck my white hairs out of my head before I come on here. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and give this a shot. I'm actually pretty thrilled about this one. I'm satisfied easily, you know. So let's read a little bit about it. It's time to say pluck it to bad news. This tweezer, it's time to say pluck it to bad brows. The tweezer set contains one slanted tweezer for precise plucking and one pointed tweezer to isolate a single hair in a large area. Yeah, see? A long handle provides a more controlled tweeze. They are kind of big, but it's all good. $18 is the MSRP. Not bad, because I usually spend about almost $20 on some tweezer bands. So, and you get 2 in 1. Okay, not bad. Oh wait, we need this. Next up, you know, I'm just gonna move around. Yeah, we're gonna be really chaotic and rowdy today, right? So this one we're gonna go with the Georgette Klinger Vitamin C Mask. So it says it's for all skin types. 1941. Since 1941, never heard of this brand. Let's read about it. Let's go ahead and learn about this product. Revitalize, brighten, and even your complexion in minutes with a powerful infusion of vitamin C to protect skin and prevent the free radical damage while boosting collagen production. This clay-based mask draws out impurities, allowing argan and avocado oils to nourish and revitalize your skin. Ooh, that sounds nice. Restores youthful tone and texture. Improves radiance and clarity, fights signs of aging caused by UV damage, promotes healing and repair, brightens dull, uneven skin, draws impurities from pores, smooths and firms. Oh my god, sounds like everything I've ever been dreaming of. Yay. I don't know that brand, so I don't know how well it is. If you've tried it, let me know, because my skin's gonna like peel off. I don't want to do it. Just kidding. I'm sure it's not gonna peel off. The MSRP for this Georgette Klinger is going for $36, and this is the bottle, 1.7 ounces. How do you apply this? Ew, it's just like a little pump thing there. Okay, and you put the product on for 10 to 15 minutes and let it soak into your impurities, and then you gently cleanse with lukewarm water. Okay. So next up, we're gonna go with the Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. Ooh, I saw somebody with this the other day, or online somewhere. Lock your looks in place and keep them cool with Icy Sherbet Primer. This gel primer, ooh, a gel primer, has an instant cooling effect once applied that hydrates and preps skin for makeup. The formula is silicone-free with water capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth. Oh my god, that sounds so marvelous, like seriously. It got me with that instant cooling effect once applied. Yeah. Let me see the bottle. Oh yeah, this is a pretty looking bottle or jar. Ooh, look at that. Oh my god, that's so pretty. It smells like laundry detergent. No, it smells really good, actually. Well, laundry detergent smells good too, right? I mean, you want your clothes to smell good. So yeah. That's very nice. This is mine. So far, everything's mine. I'm keeping everything. Okay, so next up, we're gonna go with the, is that Queen Studio? I haven't tried any of this stuff. It's Dragonlash Mascara. I've never tried this brand before. Let's see what the product looks like, and then we'll read about it. We will, what do you call it? We will enlighten ourselves with a description of this product. Okay, so I'm not gonna take it out, but it's just a mascara. I've never heard of this mascara. Have any of you had any experiences with this? Let me know. So this product, it says, instantly create the look of lash extensions with Dragonlash Mascara. This lash doubling, volumizing mascara lengthens and separates, giving you flirty, intensely black lashes. Ooh, I like that. Dragonlash Mascara is a semi-permanent, high-gloss, black tubing mascara. Interesting. Unlike conventional wax-based mascaras, tubing mascaras contain polymers that wrap around the lashes, creating tubes so they don't smudge or fake. Oh, I think I've tried those before. I'm going to try this one. Plus, they're easy to remove, making you less likely to experience lash fallout during removal. Hooray for healthy lashes. MSRP is $18. Well, that should better be good for that price. So, I've tried them. I've tried something similar, drugstore, way back in the day, where the fibers were supposed to coat your lashes, and I mean, it worked. And this is some money, so it better be better. And last is the Natasha Denona Ayana eyeshadow palette. Last time I got the coral one, I was not pleased with that one. I didn't even try it because I know those aren't my colors. I'm hoping I got the one with the black and the greenish in it, because I've seen different ones out there. And no, I did not. And look at the condition of it. I don't know if y'all can see all the fallout down here. It's horrible. I don't even know which color it's coming from, to be honest. This wasn't the one I wanted, but whatever. Can y'all see all that fallout right there? Okay, like, I guess it's from this color, but still none of them are touched, or it looks like it maybe just came off the edge a little bit. So, I mean, yeah, it's got a lot of fallout in there, but you know, I guess that happens. Just clean it right off, right? And these colors, this one looks pretty, and these look like pretty transition colors. That looks like I could probably use it as a highlighter almost. I'm not just totally disappointed with this one. Better than the coral one, so. So let's see. It's a special edition palette created exclusively for Boxycharm, featuring 5 ultra pigmented, neutral cool toned shades in a range of muted browns with a touch of a sparkling metal green tourmaline. Ooh, nice. Inspired by the Japanese meaning of aya, meaning color and design, combined with na, meaning elegant, graceful, and delicate. It's the perfect everyday palette to create sophisticated classic looks, as well as evening looks with a super glam finish. Formulated with Natasha's signature blendable, user-friendly formulas and the highest quality pure color pigments, dazzling chroma crystals and luminous pearls, suitable for every skin tone, cruelty-free and allergen-free. Okay. What? This one is priced at $48? No. I do want her that trio chrome thing, and I've been wanting it for a while, but that $129 I just can't justify. Do you know how many articles of makeup I can buy with that? I can even buy some clothing. Yeah. Okay, so this concludes the Boxycharm for this month. And recapping on what we got. These 3 and these 2. Okay, so I would say this is very much worth it. This is a good box. Maybe I'm just not that picky. Maybe I just love all the makeup that I get. I don't know. But, I mean, I can't say as far as the quality yet because I haven't used them. But I'm happy with these products that I have gotten. So I have no complaints from Boxy, or from me to Boxycharm or any of these companies until I try them maybe. But I'm happy with this box. I'm pleased. Thank you, Boxycharm. And that's it for today's review. I hope you enjoyed your box as much as I enjoyed mine. And I hope you enjoyed this review even more. So everybody stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye.